A pre-owned 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.